Good morning. Today it's my birthday. Okay, I came upstairs because it was a little noisy downstairs. My daughter is home from school, so today will be a birthday vlog, but I have no idea what type of birthday vlog this is going to be because the weather is nasty outside. Allegedly, it was supposed to be snow, icy, I don't know, it's like a little bit of everything outside. So that's why my daughter is home from school. They did have a late opening because of the weather, but we were going to take her out early anyway to go out to eat. But I don't even know if we're going to be doing that now. So, but for right now, I'm wearing my Christmas pajamas and my birthday hats. We were supposed to go to the Olive Garden, meet up with my friend Marisol. I have no idea we're still doing that because of this weather. I don't want to make them drive all the way over here in this ridiculous weather. But I am going to start celebrating my half birthday in June, so that way I can have a higher possibility of a good weather day. December babies, I'm telling you guys. Change of plans. The rain, still raining, but it has subsided. Marisol says she was coming out for my birthday. I love you, Marisol. You lifted up my spirits. I am just wearing a little ponytail with my little happy birthday hat, wearing a pink top, some jeans, and my boots because it's raining. What else can I do? We're just gonna go to the Olive Garden, which I love so much. I love their pasta and their breadsticks, so good. And then just come back here and cut a little cake, and that's it. I don't know why, but Leah keeps switching the numbers around. Does she think I'm turning 73? Girl. Am I turning 37 or 73?
Oh, 37.
Okay. So why do you keep switching the numbers, silly?
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear mommy. Happy birthday to you.
Yay!
Where's your umbrella?
Ready!
We're going to see how your mom's birthday.
There are my people. My favorite people. And they come with gifts.
Yeah. See, I want to put bracelets. I don't.
Sí, aquí hay más papel que
Make
regalar.
a wish, mommy.
Oh, this feels nice. This feels nice. And it's my color. Thank you. I love this.
See, her
Do you like my purse?
Yes.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Girl.
I love you.
This is a
We
best,
love
this
you.
is a best friend gift. For you. Thank you. Oh my
I like my ring.
I know you love the designer, so
Yeah.
I love you. And Chuchi.
Pink? I love pink and yellow. What's me?
Ready to sing?
Yeah.
Okay.
1, 2, 3.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear mommy. Happy birthday to you. Yay!
Thank you for making my birthday so special.
I love you.
My favorite people. We are on our way to see the Christmas lights. Yay! Daddy's getting gas. We're getting Wawa first because we're hungry.
And I'm hungry because I just like donut and a bottle.
Okay, we got it. You've mentioned that to us quite a few times.
I just a donut and a bottle.
Okay, you got it.
And I don't want to eat anymore.
Okay.
I just.
You ready to see the lights?
Yay!
Yay! Are you actually excited, or I'm just dragging you to this every year?
A little bit from column A, a little bit from column B.
I'm very powerful.
Christmas lights are all around. I can see them now. It's like they spell your name. It's insane. Now we're back here once again. Holidays and cheer. But now I got my eye set on you. I'm not gonna play it safe. I'm not gonna play it safe. It's going down on Christmas Day. 'Cause I've been trying to tell you in every way. Yeah, I've been trying to show you, but somehow felt I wanna have someone to hold. Walking through the falling snow. I've been trying to tell you in every way, but now I'll get it done. I'm not gonna wait and right around the mistletoe. I'm gonna let my feelings show. Always got you on my mind, but I know this time you're on top of my list. Only win.
That's the end of the vlog. Bye.
Bye.
Bye. Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas, everybody. Thank you for watching our video. We say remember and rise. Bye.
I'm gonna hire her as my assistant. She's on the payroll.
If